Hi, I'm Anita from Needles and Hooks, and welcome to episode 6 of Anita's vlog. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, join the Discord, links to that will be in the description below. So, let's see. I managed over the last week to catch up my temperature blankets. They were 2.5 weeks behind. I came this close to being 3 weeks behind, and I'm like, that's why I stopped doing content for a minute. Like last week, as soon as the vlog was done, I was like, okay, I need to concentrate on getting this caught up so I can actually go forth and do all my other stuff. Anyway, I got them caught up. They're sitting right here. This is January. And this is it's got to be at least 6 feet long. I can't exactly measure it, but we'll just take it over my shoulder. And we see all these cold days right there. And then this was the last one I did yesterday or this morning. I don't remember. But these are finished. January is now done. I have started on February. Let me fold this back up and set it aside so it's out of the way. Set it there. I buried it underneath my other project here. And this is the start of February. This is February 1st, right there. You can't really see it because my shirt's black. But yeah, this is February 1st. I've already got the high temperature for today, February 2nd. I just need to wait until past midnight tonight to get the low temperature for today so I can actually do this. Now, I have yet to take the ends and send them to the back. I'm not going to do it for the top border, but this is January, the crochet version. All those ends eventually will not be in the front, they'll be in the back where all these other ends have made it. So, yeah, shouldn't that be at the top? What is the top? Which one is the top? I had it upside down. This be the top. That's why I put this here. This is the top. This is the way how it is right now. And this is the front side. I am not in love with how I've decided to sew these together, but all these ends are going to go to the back eventually. So that takes care of that. And I've already started on my other one, and I have absolutely no idea where those are. Where is it? Yeah, here. It's underneath this. And this starts February 1st, which was Saturday. So all these blank areas over here leads all the way to Saturday and the one border. And the reason why I was going to do a stitch gray around each month, but then it dawned on me while I was at work, working on my rug, that the gray blocks aren't on either side of the next 2 months, so I can't do that. So they're going to be stitched together with the gray. When I complete February, I will crochet January and February together and then work on March. So this is all caught up. Thankfully, that was brutal. Totally brutal. I blew through the rest of Stargate Atlantis trying to get these done. So I'm just like, ugh. But that's finally completely finished. It's like, what else? Oh yeah, where is it? I got this block done on my double knit blanket. See, it looks better on this side than this is the front. No, it doesn't look too bad. You can see it better. But that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've got my colors set for fifth block, which is a gray and this green. Ugh. I just want them done. So I've decided I'm going to do 4 rows Let me get my needles tightened back up. I'm going to do 4 rows a day. No, I decided not 4. 6. 6 rows a day. It's 30 rows. So I can complete a block in 5 days because I really, really, really want this done. So I'm going to have to like start doing that and then stick to it every day. Wish me luck. But this is so close to being done. I've got 6 more to go, and then this will be finished. I do need to also fix my hat, which I have not yet to do because I need 4 rows. See it? I need 4 more rows of single crochet. So I need to frog back the slip stitch row and just do 4 rounds of single crochet with my yarn that's sitting over here. Oh, it won't be blue. It'll be purple. It'll be purple on the bottom. That's fine. It's purple on the top. So that works out great. So let me just set these over here and get that done. I have not caked up any more yarn other than this. I'm going to try to do a cake session over here, which requires me to remove everything off this part of the desk and then set the camera up over there and maybe do it. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to have to, like, I don't know, just do it off camera. We'll see. It's all about testing and figuring things out. It's not much else. You saw the progress I made on this yesterday with the Yarn With Me episode. So, you can turn it around to the correct side. So, this is not exactly... I have enough to cover my top half. And that's about it. This is going to take forever. At least that's what it feels like. If this was the only project I was working on, I'd be a lot farther on it, but I'm not. So, and I'm going to do, let's see. All my whips are over here. I used my failure. That's where you stay, yarn label. To hold, like, this stuff. It's like I need to go through these. I don't want to keep all of these, but they're just right there and out of my way. For the moment, I just need to look at my whip list because I meant to do that. Long term, so close to being done. Long term, I gotta get back on that knit wrap project. Temperature blankets are a year long. Blanket backing, I just need to get to work more on it. I did some of it today. The car blanket, the corner to corner car blanket, I decided I'm going to do in panels. So I don't have any scrap yarn because it's a scrap yarn project. I don't have any more, so that's off to the side for right now. I've got a scarf down there for a tutorial. I might have to rethink these market bags I've been trying to make. I got the granny square bag over here. I got to do 5 more of those. I got a loom knit project over here. And a winter mal project that's in my room that I need to get on. So the closest things I could get done would be, I got a project down there that's for market that I'm probably going to play a dangerous game of yarn chicken on. Only bought 3 skeins of that Mainstays. I have no idea what colorway it is. It's very busy blue, shades of blue, white, and black. But I only bought 3, and since all my Walmarts that I go to no longer have yarn in them, I can't get any more, and I'm not about to go on the Walmart website and purchase any. Long story. I don't trust them. Any of them. So, let's see. Because I do have a ton of cotton yarn sitting over there. Somewhere. That I need to do stuff with. I just need to figure out the market bag situation. Because I was doing one in cotton and one in acrylic. But I need to work on the cotton one. That's over here. I might frog the acrylic one. I don't know yet. It's a good possibility, but this market blanket I've got down here, that's like a quick one. I've already got it to 40 inches, so I just need to close it off. That's why I'm going to be playing a dangerous game of yarn chicken, because I don't know if I'm going to have enough. So I would have to like get something from my stash to finish it, which that would really suck, because I really wanted it all to be that color, but I did not foresee how much yarn it took to get it to the 40 inches. I did not anticipate that. So right now I have 16 projects. 2 will go for a year. That blanket can get done. These blocks can get done. That's 2 quick projects. This I don't think I can get it done with the blanket yarn that I've got. I've got 3 more balls over here. And then I've got 2 that I purchased in my room. I don't think that'll be enough to finish this whole thing, but it'll make a good dent in it, so I need to start working on that. I think this is going to be my desk project, the thing that I'm going to be working on, just so I can like get it out of the way. It takes up a lot of space. My rug for my bathroom is my car project for my first break at work. I don't really work on it during my second break, because by that time I'm just like, I'm tired. Usually I can get it in the morning and then just be done with it. Yeah. So the 2 10-stitch blankets are long-term. I even wrote it down. How many long-term projects do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 long-term projects. That's my desk project. My bedroom project is the winter mal that I seriously need to get to work back on, because I like caught my temperature blanket up, so I ignored that for the last 2 weeks, because I said in Yarn With Me, I was like, I'm not entirely thrilled with how it's coming out at all. But that's what happens when we wing things. I'm winging that completely. So, yeah, that takes care of that. I just wanted to stare at my whips right now, just to see what I can feasibly finish quickly. Like 2 of them can get quickly done. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, that's enough of that rambling. Let me move all this. Well, I could just sit there. Anyway. Short, sweet, simple, to the point. Short little vlog. I probably won't purchase yarn for a bit until probably maybe the summer. Spring, summer. Somewhere around in there. For the color palette challenge. I'm doing one for knit and crochet. I've got the crochet pattern like set, ready to go. I just need to build the page to do the color picker, because I'm going to do the color picker also. Color picker? Palette picker. I'm going to go through that twice. One for the knit, one for the crochet. I still need to figure out what I'm doing for the knit pattern one. I kind of want it to like mimic what the crochet one's doing, but then I don't, because the only thing I can think of would be mitered squares, and I've got a mitered square blanket sitting over there. It's not fun, let me tell you. That took years to finish, and that's what this is going on the back of, which hopefully this will be done soon. I want this done before this coming winter. Yeah, so color palette challenge, and yarn for a stitch sampler. What did I call it? It's going to be a stitch along. I'm going to do one for knit and one for crochet. Like a sampler throw blanket. Well, not a throw. I don't want a square. A rectangular throw blanket. I've got enough square blankets. I don't need any more right now. I want like blankets I can like just chuck on me, like however, cover my feet or whatnot. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Anyway, this that's all I've got for this vlog. Anyway, let me know what you're working on. Are you doing anything exciting? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.